Choosing the right blogging platform is a critical decision for any aspiring blogger. Now, there are so many options available. It can be overwhelming to decide which platform is best, which one suits your needs. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple guide on how all the key factors to consider before choosing a blogging platform. My first tip for you is defining your purpose. Before diving into any technical aspect, it is essential for you to clarify the purpose of your blog. Ask yourself the following questions. Is your blog going to be for your personal expression? Do you plan to monetize your blog? And what type of content will you primarily be posting on your blog? Ask yourself, how much customization do I need for my blog? So after asking yourself all these questions, these goals are going to help you narrow down the different options that you have. And then my second tip for you will be ease of use. For beginners, you need to really go with an option that is so easy for you to use, get started with, set up, and all that. So there are platforms that allow you to easily set up a blog, while others are a little bit complex for beginners. So platforms like WordPress, Wix, those are so easy to get started with if you want to start blogging. They have like drag and drop features. You can just use templates that are already existing to get started with your blog, and it makes it so easy for anyone to start blogging real quick. Number 3 is how easy is it to customize and be flexible. So that takes me to the point of customization and flexibility. If you want full control over your blog's appearance, functionality, look, platform, WordPress.org is popular. That is something I can recommend personally. And it's also a popular choice because of its library of themes, as I mentioned, plugins, which can allow you to customize every aspect of your website. And for more advanced users, you can use Ghost. Ghost offers a clean and modern interface with a very powerful customization capabilities. So number 4, you need to consider the cost. Consider your budget when you're choosing a blogging platform. Some platforms are free but may come with a limitation for ads. Others offer premium plans but have additional features. And here is a quick overview of some of these platforms. So let me start with WordPress.org. It is free to use, but you'll need to pay for hosting, domain, and any other premium themes or plugins you would want to use for your blog. Then there is WordPress.com, which has a free plan available with ads, but premium plans will start with $4 a month. And then there is Wix, has a free plan available with ads, but premium plans will start at around $14 a month. Ghost starts at $9 a month for personal use. So consider these costs, compare them, and look at something that you can start with based on your budget. Then another thing you can look at is also the SEO and marketing tools these platforms offer. SEO is basically search engine optimization, and it is very vital for driving traffic to your blog. Look for platforms that offer built-in SEO tools or supports SEO plugins. WordPress still takes the lead for me with plugins like Yoast, which easily help you to just ease your blogging processes, and then also integrate some of these platforms with social media integrations, email marketing tools to help you promote your content. So let's look at the support and community of each of these tools. If you have access to a community of the tool that you choose, it's going to be very helpful for you, especially if you encounter issues and also need advice on using this particular tool you've chosen. And WordPress has a very large community of users, developers, which offer extensive documentation and forums. And then also there is Squarespace and Wix. This one really have very great customer support. You can chat with via email, which is also beneficial if you need quick response or quick help in regards to your blogging website. So let's talk about scalability. As your blog grows, you may need more features, more capacity. So choose a platform that is going to scale with your needs. Still, I will recommend WordPress because it is highly scalable and allow you to add as more advanced features as you wish for your blog. And also Squarespace and Wix offer scalable solutions, but they may have limitations compared to self-hosted platforms. Security is another factor to consider because you need to protect your blog from cyber attacks, cyber threats. Self-hosted platforms like WordPress require you to manage your security, including updates, backups, and also hosted platforms like WordPress.com and Squarespace may handle the security part of it for you, and that gives you a really peace of mind. So those are my tips. And now the next step is let me show you some of the popular blogging platforms with their pros and cons. So I mentioned WordPress.org a lot. So with WordPress, it is highly customizable, extensive, plugin library, strong SEO capabilities, but also it requires self-hosting, regular maintenance, and updates. Now, there is WordPress.com. This one is easy to set up with hosting included and good for beginners. However, it has limited customization on free plan and ads on free plan. With Wix, it's user-friendly. It has drag and drop. You can build your website just by dragging and dropping features. It's all-in-one solution. The con is limited flexibility and higher cost for advanced features. Now, there is Squarespace. With Squarespace, it has got very beautiful templates. I love Squarespace templates, and it has got very excellent customer support as well as built-in SEO tools for your blog. However, it offers a very less customization, and also it's a little bit higher in terms of costs. So with Ghost, it has got a clean interface, great for professional bloggers, strong focus on writing, and also it has got just limited themes, plugins, and it's more expensive. So when you're choosing these platforms, this will depend on your specific needs, your technical background, your skills, and future goals. So consider these factors, things like customization, cost, security, and just find a platform that best works for you. Take your time to first test up the free versions before committing to a paid version. Otherwise, this is all for today, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.